Hi, my name is Mike Jarrett, and this little video is an introduction to how we here at QuesGen will make videos that can be used for capturing concepts and ideas and doing training and that kind of thing. So this really is a little bit of an experiment. This is our first one that's going to be made like this, but we'll hopefully it will be instructional, and if you have any questions, I'd love to hear your feedback. So in creating a video, there are four parts. The introductory portion, which you just saw, the concept portion, which is what you're looking at now, which will be a series of quick PowerPoint slides, then the on-screen demonstration, which will show the user exactly what you're trying to communicate, and then a conclusion, which is a short video of the presenter. In the tools that we're using, we use iMovie to capture the content for part one and part four. That is the portion where the presenter is speaking. And then in part two and part three, we create the slides in PowerPoint and capture the presentation, and then we record the screen image. And we anticipate at this point using a tool called Snaps Pro for both creating or capturing the PowerPoint image as well as creating the on-screen image. In the Snaps Pro tool, there's some nice tutorials about how to actually do this. So now we're in the demonstration portion of how we make this movie, and it's a little odd because the movie that we're making is actually the movie that we're watching. So all the pieces aren't here yet because I'm recording this part. But anyway, the way you create this first part, and you'll see some of the video that I've just recorded for the introductory portion is here in iMovie. I've also pre-recorded the conclusion, so even though you haven't seen it yet, I know what comes out. So then the way you actually go into iMovie to record this is you go and you do File, Import from Camera, and once you click this, it will make a video of yourself just quickly. So now I'm going to go ahead and press Capture, so I'm going to have a video of myself making a video. Pretty crazy, so it'll be interesting to see how this goes. So this is me talking to iMovie being captured with Snaps Pro, and pretty wild. So then when you're all done, you press stop, and we're all done there. It's now generating an event. So then we'll go ahead and say done with this. And so this little snippet that I just recorded is this little event. So you can, as you're in here, you can move through. I'm going to go ahead and press the space bar and watch the little video play. Pretty crazy. So it'll be interesting to see how this goes. So this is me talking to iMovie being captured with Snaps Pro, and pretty wild. So then when you're all done, you press stop. And that's even more weird because that was me watching myself talking to me making the movie. Anyway, kind of crazy. So anyway, that new event we won't include. But what we will include is this Snaps Pro movie that we're doing. So I'm going to show you here in the part one video. So I created the initial portion using iMovie. This portion I actually created using Snaps Pro. And then I went back into iMovie and then imported that. And as soon as I finish this little portion in Snaps Pro, I'm going to go ahead and import this in. And then when that's all done, I'm going to save the movie. Now, we're not 100% sure how this is going to go, but I think we're going to do a 780p format, which will make a .mov file, which is not too large. And then once that's done, we'll upload that to YouTube, create links to that, and everything that we're going to stream, we plan to stream from YouTube at this point. So that's it. It'll be interesting to see how this all comes out. Thanks again for watching. Thank you very much for taking a look at this video. This will be an ever-evolving process, no doubt. It's been kind of interesting this morning putting this together for the very first time, and we will, I'm sure, be making more of these as we learn more about different technologies and different approaches. We're excited about the opportunity, though, that video on the web, on our website, as a training tool, and also as a way that our clients or prospects can get to know us and interact with us and find out the kind of people that we really are. So again, thank you for your willingness to provide this information and this approach, and we'll see you in the movies.